Can you explain
Senator
why
Schumer,
you
can you explain your
on
comments?
the Medicare buy-in?
Well, I didn't change my mind on the Medicare buy-in. I mean, I know this is a classic sort of sport here, although it's not terrible to change one's mind if in fact you do. But I don't want to spend too much time on this. In the 2000 campaign, when I was privileged to be Al Gore's running mate, the party platform was to suggest one way to reform health care was to allow 55 to 65-year-olds to buy into Medicare. That's a very stressed age group when you don't have insurance. But a lot of things have changed in the 9 years. First is that the 2000, the federal government was in surplus and paying off the debt, not having increased the debt enormously. Secondly, Medicare wasn't on the verge of imminent bankruptcy, which it is now. And third, there wasn't a bill on the floor, such as the one on the floor now, that would extend very generous subsidies to those 55 and 65-year-olds to enable them to buy insurance and reduce the impact of age in the pricing of insurance policies. So things changed a lot.
More recently,
Oh, in the Connecticut Post interview, well, I finally got to see that on TV last night, and it looked to me like I was referring back to things I had supported in the past to make the point that though I was against the public option, I was not against health care reform. And of course, I did that before the Finance Committee bill came out with this very large, and again, I'd say generous, but I support it, system of subsidies to bring basically lower middle income people into the health insurance system. So.